how's it going, guys? Ages welcome here. Today I'm here with Dad. Say hi.
Hello.
And Callie's over there at the table. Finger point. There we go. And yeah, I just feel like doing a vlog. He's about to play Watch Dogs, an awesome game. I know, right? Callie. Say hi.
Hi.
Say what up, Chica?
What up, Chica?
Yeah, I just felt like doing a random vlog.
I said, what up, Chica?
If you get her going, 9. I'm going up on a Tuesday. The girl in the front seat Tuesday. Sing it.
Oh, what book is this? Nope. No more.
This is a kid's book.
No more. So many toys.
I see.
So many.
I see, Jacob. I see.
Say hi.
Hi.
Give me a high five. Bro fist. Turkey hunt. Yeah. Anyway, like if you enjoyed, subscribe to become a wolf. I found him pack today, and I'll see you dudes in the next video.